Guys, so I said to you guys before, I'm gonna start this vlog off going to the digital 5K. I cannot run a 5K. I don't have that type of energy and stamina, but I better well look as if I can do it. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll get back to you. I'm gonna be shooting a GoPro. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see everything, but it's about to be lit. Walk, crawl, run. I'm gonna make it to the end.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
Guys, we are like, it's now 7:41 and we're not even start the race yet. So I can see people just running right or walking right now, so we're about to see what go on. You see me? This building up there, so just I reach to the finishing line, well, starting line, guys. Oh, Jano.
Come on, folks. The event start. Thank you. Can just walk around, please.
You guys are finished?
Time to go ahead.
Oh, congrats.
Finally at the start, guys. Look who's here running with me, guys. Oh, no friends, Fiona. So they are about to see how much we can do. People done the race already and we just started. So there you go. Yeah, move like an athlete, so. Fiona, they have thought we're too tired already. But tired still. Keep on pushing, man. Your legs are really tired. Ah, bro. Come on, bro.
You mean you go gym every day now?
No, I haven't been to the gym like 2 weeks. Right, I don't even know. You're not asleep of a thing, dog. Swear. Swear. Watch out. You're gonna got me. Start run again. Hold on. Last snap. I know, guys, I'm try to boot up here now. I think about all the kids them can't run, can't do them type of event. You see me, so we are trying to run for them. And it's not a joke thing, a serious thing, you get me I say? Because we have the ability and but they're so slack. I think you guys can even see me because I go GoPro still, but you can't hear me. Alright. Which one? Best one. So we just get some water all ago. See me. Clean up about the roads and thing. Roads them get cleaned up back after the whole heap of bag them dash way. It's a good look. paint you?
Because I wasn't ready.
Guys, we're up on the final stretch. I know if you don't know how to run. John out
Alright, come back.
watch out, watch out. No, nobody run the last 1K. You kill it for your brother, bro. Hey, how are you? Good? Alright. We have been walking for the majority of this thing, but it's for a special reason. The scenery down here is pretty nice. At downtown Kingston, most persons associate downtown Kingston with a bad city. But tonight it's really nice. You see everybody come out and a whole heap of people this because we start racing late. And still people are still running, so you know, it's really cool to that. Well, not running, but walking. And we're gonna take you out to the seafront. So all the way back down there we still have channel people taking photos. They should be running. Social media junkies like me, like all of us. We're getting there, maybe like 50 meters away. And we don't know somebody drop down.
Stop me in the.
Huh? Sure, no. Yeah, but we almost there. It was pretty fun.
We took like 1 hour to finish because we started like 40 minutes later.
Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Yay! We're done.
It's second place we have Megan Thompson from Homewood Technical as well. And we are in first place, Natoya Gould.
Guys, your boy just came back home. It's pretty good. I did to my bucket list. It's the first time I'm ever doing a 5K that's official like this. So I don't know if you guys know, but like I have been like every party or most parties I go to, when I get the wristband, I just take it and I put it in the bag. So this bad boy is going inside there. I'm not even gonna check my place because I don't think I even come nothing really because we walked the whole time. But anyway guys, thank you for being a part of this vlog today. If you guys can, make sure that you guys run for charity. This was like, you know, for a good thing, whether I'm a winner or not, it was for a good reason. So love, nature, adaptation. Remember guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and keep the link.